Welcome back. In this video, we shall see a few interesting techniques which will help us simplify our mathematical calculations. So let's begin with the first one. If I need to divide a large number by 5, if I need to divide a large number by 5, then what do? So again, by using some of the principles of Vedic mathematics, so let's see how we can find the answer. Let's say I need to divide 235 by 5. So there is no need to divide the given number. So the easiest way is to just multiply the given number by 2. So 235 into 2, right? So multiplication of any number by 2 is very easy. So 5 into 2 is 10, 1 with a carry, so I get 7 and 4 here. So 470, and then I shift the decimal point by one place. So the answer is 47. So what is the procedure? The procedure is, if I need to divide a large number by 5, multiply the given number with 2. You get the answer, just shift the decimal point by one place, and that's the final answer. Let's take another example. Say I need to divide 2212 by 5. So what is the procedure? Just multiply 2212 by 2. I get 4428. Shift the decimal point here. The answer is 442.8. Let's take another example. If I have to divide 8542 by 5, just multiply 8542 by 2. So what do I get? I get 48017. Just shift the decimal point. So the answer is 1708.4. How easy it is to find the answer by using the principles of Vedic mathematics. Another very interesting technique, if I have to multiply any two-digit number which lies between 11 and 19, what is the easiest way? So let's take an example. Let's consider 13 into 16 here. So among these two numbers, which is the largest number? We know that 16 is the largest number. So what we do is we add the unit of the smaller number to the larger number. So I consider the larger number, which is 16. We add the unit digit, which is 3, to the larger number. So I get 19. Multiply this number by 10. So I get 190. Then what do? Multiply the unit digits of both the numbers, which is 3 into 6. I get 18. Then add these two. I get 802. So 208 is the answer. So what are the steps? The step is we need to add the unit digit of the smaller number to the larger number, right? So we add the unit of the smaller number to the larger number, we get the answer. Next, multiply the result. So the result, what we get is 19 here. We need to multiply the result with the number 10. Next, multiply the unit digits of both the smaller and the large number. Right? So that's what we have done. We have done 3 into 6, which is 18. Now add the two results. So if I call this as result 1, and if I call this as result 2, then what do? R1 plus R2 gives us the final answer. Right? So let's take another example. So let's consider 15 into 17. Okay. So what do? I consider the large number 17 plus add the unit digit of the smaller number 5. So we get 22. So then to this number we multiply 10. So which is 220. Multiply the 5 and 7. So 5 into 7 is 35. Add these two, I get 552. So 255 is the answer. So let's take another example. So I have 12 into 19. I have the larger number. Add the unit digit of the smaller number to the large number. So I get 21. Multiply this with 10, so I get 210. Multiply the unit digits of both the numbers, which is 2 into 9, which is 18. Add these two. I get 822. So 228 is the answer. Right? So are you checking the answers using your calculators or by using the normal multiplication method? Yes, you would get the same answer, not to worry. Okay, so let's move on with the next trick or technique for such simple calculations. So if I need to multiply a 2-digit number by 11, what do I do? This is so interesting and so simple. Let's consider a number. So let me multiply 25 with 11. So I can multiply any 2-digit number with 11. So within seconds I can write the answer. So what is the answer? The answer would be 275. Now how did I write it so quickly? So what do? I consider the number, right? So you write 2 space 5, right? And then add these two numbers. 2 plus 5 is 7. You write that number here in the blank space provided. That's the answer. So simple. Let's take another example. Say 17 into 11. So what do? I write 17, add these two digits, which is 8. 187 is the answer. So I can go on taking examples. Any 2-digit number into 11. Write those two numbers with a gap in between, and then add these two digits. You write that there in the gap, in the blank space, you would get the answer. Right? So it's so easy to find the multiplication of any 2-digit number by 11. You get the answer within seconds. Interesting, isn't it? Right? So do like, share and subscribe, and make sure that you press the bell icon to get notifications of further uploads, and keep a watch on the videos for such interesting techniques.